We're doing an exciting unboxing of the QNAP TS-855eU-8G US. A powerful network-attached storage solution perfect for both home and small business use. If you're looking for a reliable way to store your data, then stick around because this NAS might just be what you need. All right, here we have the QNAP TS-855eU-8G US. This NAS comes with 8 GB of RAM, is powered by a quad-core Intel processor, and supports up to 8 hard drives. It's designed to handle intensive data tasks like backup, virtualization, and media streaming. Next, we have the power cable, a couple of Ethernet cables, and some mounting screws for the hard drives. It's nice to see that QNAP includes everything you need to get started right out of the box.